Very good morning to all. I'm Srinivasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Triply, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss the subject of renewable resource. In this subject, we are going to discuss for the model of the other renewable resources. Okay, already we discussed for the solar energy and wind energy. So now we go for the other renewable energy source. So compared to solar and wind, so other renewable energy sources of the biogas, tidal energy, hydro, these are also renewable energy sources. So we have to discuss. So the other renewable energy sources of the bioenergy. Okay. Now we go for the bioenergy. So bioenergy is one of many diverse resources available to help meet our demand for energy. So it is a form of the renewable energy that is derived from recently living organic material known as biomass, which can be used to produce the transportation fuels, heat, electricity, and products. You see this the pictures. The biomass it's a green energy because it's a non-polluted environment. Okay, so it's agriculture crops, waste, forest waste, okay, municipality waste. These are the some wastage we have to use and then we have to generate some electricity. Okay, we have to dumping for the floated dump plant. Okay, we have to giving some gases. We have to produce some gases. That gas will be changed to electricity. So this is the bioenergy. Okay, so everyone know. So it is a so this one is the green energy, or we have to say that that is the renewable energy also. Okay, it's not polluted for our environment. So the biomass is a biological organic matter derived from the living or recently living organism. The bioenergy is the energy contained in biomass. The biomass is an extremely important energy resources available nearly everywhere. The biomass encompasses a large variety of material, including wood from various sources, agriculture and industrial residues, animal and human waste. Okay, so these are the wastage we have to use, and then we have to produce on gas. That gas will be formed to change the electricity. Okay, the two form of the biomass route, the forestry products and the grasses and the plants and the animal manure and the aquatic products, secondary materials that undergo the significant changes from the raw biomass, paper, cardboard, cotton, natural rubber products, and the used to cooking oils. Okay, these are some of wastage we have to use, and then we have to produce some electricity. Okay, here you see the how the biomass gets in energy. So we have to know the photosynthesis. So light energy. So here the plants convert the radiant energy from the sun into the chemical energy into the form of the glucose or sugar. So this process is called the photosynthesis. Introduction biomass conversion technology. The biomass feedstock, the combustion, gasification, rheolysis, and the liquefations, how hot gases and the low energy gases and medium energy gases, which are hydrocarbons. So this is the thermochemical process and the intermediate process and the final products of the stream process, heat, electricity, and so internal combustion engine. So every product we have to use the fuel gases. Okay, we have to use the multiple applications oriented. We have to use. Okay, so here you see the thermal conversion, thermochemical conversion, and the biochemical conversion, and the chemical conversion. So this is the conversion technology, the feedstock and the pre-processing and the conversion. Okay, you have to the desiccation and the you see the combustion engine, sorry, combustion and calculation, analysis, the fermentation. So we have to this is the chemical conversion. How to is the biodiesel, the biochemical conversion, the thermochemical conversion, and the thermal conversion. So you have to sing the charcoal and the methanol, carry ethanol, the biodiesel. How to some various products will be we have to provide it. You see, next we go for biogas plant. So the biogas plant is where biogas produced by the fermenting biomass. This substance used for the production of the methane containing gas usually that consists of energy trapped such as argon or waste materials such as man or food waste, also known as the biogas to rise more easily. You see, the many of them see this kind of plant in your village area, some where places. Okay, definitely did you see everyone this kind of plants. This kind of plants we have to dumping for some wastages, the cow wastages and agriculture wastage, and we have to use some municipality waste and school waste, food waste. We have to dumping for this one floating drum. So and then we have to produce some methane gas, and that gas will be changed to the directly we have to use some cooking process, and we have to produce some electricity. So this is the biogas. Okay. So this biogas you have to classify for the following types: the balloon plant and the fixed dome plant and the floating drum plants. See, the floating drum plant, balloon plants, you see the slurry inlet and the biogas, the gas outlet, and the difference in in and out level. Okay, the slurry is water plus dung and fermentation. So this fermentation here after doing for this floating drum, the gas holder and the slurry outlet. So this will be the how to dumping and we have to produce some gases. It is one type of the plant for to produce the methane gases. This one is the fixed dome plant. So it is a concrete plant. So it is maximum. It's economically it's cost price. It's very low, but it's very efficiently. We have to produce some gases. So it's a dome-shaped gas holder, mixing tank, digester tank, inlet chamber, outlet chamber. This is the overflow tank. So it's a gas outlet. So the concept is it's a, both of them doing same work. Okay. So it is a floating drum plant. So it is this is a steel type plant. So we have to inside the wastages we have to float dumping for here. So and then to wastages of the municipality agriculture and some of the uh, residual wastages we have to dump for here, and then to produce the gas. And this gas we have to use cooking and electricity process. So the fixed dome and the floating dome plant have to differentiate here. So it's a mainstay of the concrete structure of the entirely. The floating dome plant is a steel plant. So it's a low cost, but it's a higher cost is a steel plant. Lower maintenance, but it's we need for the frequent maintenance. It's a lower liability. It's a higher liability. So it's a high maintenance and supervised skill required. It's low maintenance fabricating skills. Okay. Application of the biogas. The biogas is used to do cooking fuel. The biogas is mental light as a burner of lighting purpose, and biogas is used for water heating. It is used as a fuel in IC engine. So it is used for fuel and agriculture machinery. These are the applications you have to use the biogas. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your listening. Thank you once again.